What up guys, this is Alex from Prestige Window Tinting, and I just finished the window tinting on this 2021 Escalade. So I did the full windshield with the XPEL Prime XR Plus 70. As you can see, this window tinting, it's super clear and legal here in Texas because it has no color, like no dark color on it. Then I did the 15% XPEL XR Plus on the two front windows, and I added 5% on all the back windows over the privacy glass. So this film will give you full privacy on this vehicle, on all the back seats and the cargo area, so nobody can see anything inside. The two front windows looks a little lighter because this vehicle has the light color interior, so it makes it look lighter than usual. But this is how it looks from the inside out. Yeah, I know, that's a cool ride out there. And then here is how it looks on the other side. And here is on the back windows. As you can see, you still can see out. Not super easy, but it's easy to look out, even that it's a 5% window tinting. This film will be a little harder to look out at night because it's really dark over the privacy glass. Here is a little walk around so you can see how much privacy you can get with the 5% on all the back windows. Like I said, this is a 2021 Cadillac Escalade, and this is the luxury, premium luxury, or whatever it's called. Alright, and here's a quick look of the full windshield. Well, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.